Alright guys, stick around if you want to learn how to make this very trendy 1 tomato 3 egg recipe. It is absolutely delicious and it's so easy to make. Let's go ahead and get it, guys. So get a bowl and crack 3 eggy boys into that bowl just like so. How you doing? We're going to use this bowl as kind of the epicenter of all our ingredients for the most part. So, next we're going to add 5 to 8 pinches of salt and 5 to 8 pinches of black pepper. So you got to do this to your taste, of course. Maybe you like it salty, maybe you like it peppery, who knows. Next, you're going to add 1 to 3 pinches of crushed red pepper flakes. These are fantastic. It adds a nice little kick. Go off of your kick tolerance. Next, grab a Roma or a globe tomato and get 6 beautiful slices out of that bad boy. How you doing? Slice it up like so, exactly like so. Try to be as even as you can with the slices. I guess it's not a huge deal, but do with it what you must. Next, we're gonna get about a generous handful of some chopped green onions or scallions, whatever you want to call them. How you doing? And we're gonna throw these beautiful green onions into our epicenter of flavor, the mixing bowl. Next, we're gonna get a fork or a whisk and whisk the shit out of it. Mix it up very well, guys. Mix it up like so. How you doing? Just like you're doing some cake batter, you know what I'm saying? So mix it up very well, very well, very well. Boom, bada beep, boop, bop. How you doing? Next, we are gonna turn on our pan to a low-high heat. We want a low-high heat so we can cook the egg slowly. And next, we're gonna add some olive oil or some butter. You can use any olive oil or any oil, whatever, or butter or ghee that you please. Spread it throughout the pan evenly. And next, we're gonna throw on those beautiful sliced tomatoes. We're gonna fry these sliced tomatoes for about 1 to 3 minutes on their own before even adding the mix. So just let these guys hang out for a little bit, take a little bath in the olive oil stew or whatever you're using. How you doing? And we're gonna let that simmer for a hot sec, and then now we are just gonna simply pour the mixture into our pan, just like so. How you doing? Throw it in the pan, and I do a little shake. You can use a fork or a spoon just to kind of better distribute those beautiful ingredients. And look at the colors, guys. It's incredible. It looks like a flag. So next, we're gonna lid and cap that bad boy for about 5 to 10 minutes. Depends on the shape of your pan and things like that, but 5 to 10 minutes is good. About halfway through this cooking period, get your mozzarella cheese and sprinkle on like so for the second half of the cook. The reason why we put it on now is so it can melt very nicely into our egg concoction. Cap off one more time, garnish with black pepper if you would like. If you don't like it, how you doing? And that's pretty much it, guys. Finish out the cook, let it rest, and plate and enjoy. Thanks so much for stopping in, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers. We'll see you on the next one.